So, how to fix Instagram not login in less than 50 seconds. On this short tutorial guys, I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram not login in less than 50 seconds. So all what you wanna do is open the settings on your phone, go to the apps manager like this, open the apps, go to the Instagram and then click here on this option. After click on this option, go to the storage right here, click on clear data and clear cache, go back, click on the power usage details, and then here you will find the power consumption alert. Disable it and enable it again. Go back, click on the storage, go to this clear data option and click on it, click on clear cache, and that's it. Now open the Play Store or the App Store and update your Instagram app. That's it guys, don't forget to like, subscribe.